Welcome back to Auto Gear, the channel where innovation meets performance. If you're passionate about cars, whether it's luxury sedans, rugged off-roaders, electric vehicles, or versatile multi-purpose vehicles, you're in the right place. We deliver in-depth car reviews, latest specs, hands-on experiences, and feature breakdowns of all the newest models hitting the global automotive market. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay updated with everything that's revolutionizing the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota minibus, a model that continues Toyota's legacy of practical, reliable, and purpose-driven vehicles. Designed with versatility, comfort, and modern technology in mind, the 2025 Toyota minibus is aimed at fleet operators, businesses, and even large families who value functionality and ease of use. Toyota has ensured this model is not just a simple passenger van but a smart transport solution with thoughtful enhancements. The 2025 version of the Toyota minibus comes with several upgrades in both design and capability. Externally, it has a sleek yet robust appearance, blending utility and aesthetics. The front grille features a bold horizontal bar pattern, flanked by LED headlamps that offer bright, efficient lighting for both day and night driving. The large windshield gives the driver excellent visibility, which is crucial for maneuvering in tight city streets or crowded transport terminals. Aerodynamics have been subtly improved with a slightly tapered roofline and side body sculpting, reducing drag and helping improve fuel efficiency, which is essential for commercial operations. In terms of size, the Toyota minibus retains its familiar extended body, capable of seating up to 15 passengers depending on the configuration. Sliding doors on both sides offer convenience for entry and exit, especially when used in transit systems or airport shuttles. The low-floor design and optional automatic step further enhance accessibility, making it suitable for elderly passengers or individuals with mobility issues. There are multiple window configurations, allowing for better ventilation and light flow into the cabin, enhancing the passenger experience. For businesses, the rear can be modified for cargo if seating is reduced. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2025 Toyota minibus has seen a noticeable upgrade in materials and layout. The dashboard is now more driver-centric, featuring a new digital instrument cluster and an 8-inch infotainment screen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows seamless integration of navigation, media, and communications tools, which are vital for fleet management. There's even a fleet management software interface included in higher trims that allows real-time monitoring of vehicle location, maintenance status, and fuel usage. Air conditioning vents are evenly distributed throughout the cabin, ensuring comfort for all passengers regardless of their seat location. The seating material ranges from durable fabric in the standard version to synthetic leather in the premium variant, both easy to clean and long-lasting. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota minibus is offered with multiple powertrain options to cater to different market needs. The base engine is a 2.8-liter turbo diesel that produces around 150 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque, providing strong low-end power ideal for heavy loads and city driving. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifts and ensures driver ease. For markets moving towards sustainability, Toyota also offers a hybrid version pairing a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor. This version not only improves fuel economy but also reduces emissions, meeting increasingly strict urban environmental regulations. Some regions may even see a fully electric variant in the future as Toyota continues to expand its zero-emissions portfolio. Driving dynamics are tuned for comfort and stability. The suspension setup consists of McPherson struts at the front and leaf springs at the rear, balancing load capacity with ride comfort. The steering is light but precise, making it easy to navigate in tight city conditions. The turning radius is one of the best in its class, which is especially useful when operating in narrow streets or crowded parking areas. Noise insulation has also been improved significantly in the 2025 model, reducing cabin